The best view comes after the hardest climb, through frozen breath and fractured time, where silence hums and echoes fade, drawn by dreams no peak could shade. Our humble guide, your slopes we ride, through rock and snow, through steep incline. Not for glory, not for fame, but for rock and ice we yearn to tame. The trail is truth, the slope is song, the rhythm pulls our souls along. In every turn, a story told, of courage carved in bitter cold. So here we ride, not to defy, but to become the wind. On slopes we fly. The mountain waits, it does not speak, but answers those who dare to seek.
Something to die for now it's all about the yeah, they got planes, they got guns, they got aim, they got funds, they got what's up? They got planes, they got guns, they got aim, they got funds, they got what's up? Yeah. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. The world, and I still fuck your bitch. Right, like what? Bitch, we gotta survive, what? The world, and I still fuck your bitch. Right, like what? Bitch, we gotta survive, what? I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. Fall out and bottle with gold bottles and call out the role model and brought up when all's gone. Evil to my people to feed freedom, the heathens to bleed demons to pieces, they already dropped walls. Die for. I hope there's something to die for. For now, it's all about the stop. Yeah, they got planes, they got guns, they got aim, they got guns, they got cars. I mean, this sucks. They got planes, they got guns, they got aim, they got guns, they got cars. I mean, bullets falling hard. I've been feeling tough. I ain't got one that hard. I mean, in the sun. Bullets in the hard. I've been feeling tough. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's that new killer drip. I'm on my shit. I'm on my shit. It's the new killer drip. They got flames, they got guns, they got aim, they got guns, they got stuff. There's something to There's something to die.
The ride is done, the echoes still. The mountain rests, the air is chill. But in its quiet, we remain, a part of snow, of dust, of rain. We did not win, we did not lose. We simply chose the path we choose. And in that choice, we found our way through fleeting light and breaking day. The best view comes when breath runs thin, when fear and joy both live within. And in that space, so vast, so true, the mountains gave its gifts to you.